Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Windows on ASUS TUF Gaming laptop. Here you can see ASUS TUF A16 gaming laptop. This is the design on front. RTX 4050 6GB graphic card comes with an AMD Ryzen 7 processor. (16-inch) screen. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. So I'm going to show you how to install the Windows on ASUS gaming laptop. This is a side look of this laptop. Ventilation system and power button. Comes with the NVIDIA G-Sync also. And let's start the machine. I'm installing with the flash drive, bootable flash drive. Press escape and select the bootable drive. Before that, you need to disable the secure boot. Disable the secure boot and start the unit. So it will boot from flash. BIOS, in the BIOS you need to disable that. So after that you can start the unit. Escape and enter. The Windows is booting now. Here you need to select the operating system, which one you are going to install. I'm selecting the Windows 11 Home Edition. Accept the all terms and conditions. Select the drive. The Windows installation is going now. So this is the side look of this unit. Ethernet port, HDMI, 2 Thunderbolt port, and 1 USB port, and 1 headphone jack combo. This side you can see headphone jack combo.